Ah. You know, you know, you know. When I started this so long ago, how many years? So, April 8th, 2021 was the first stream I tried to do. And, to some degree of success, some progress was made, if I remember correctly. But I also remember that, man, I was using Vadim stuff at the start. That wasn't right. That was wrong. But, yeah. 2021. April 8th. So, it is now February 2024. 3 years since I started this project. 3 years! And I worked on it off and on because at some point I just was like, I cannot do this anymore. I don't have the skills to do it, blah, 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 blah. And with some help of some people, we got somewhere. Yeah. 3 years. 3 years to get to that. Woo! Okay. So. Welcome back. This is now the final 2 episodes, streams, whatever you want to call them, of SMP. This one's going to be short. Next one's going to be a little later down the week, probably. And then it's over. Whatever, then I think the next one's going to end up being probably doing PR comments, because I'm going to end up PRing a lot of stuff. But 3 years it took of off and on work. I wouldn't even say it was like all at once. But nevertheless, it was 3 years. So.
This isn't even part one. Part one is lost, I think. 3 years of yeah. Three years. Cool!
So now what? Now what? What's the plan? What's left? You might ask. And well, not very much. So, what we're going to do, I'm just going to sit here for an hour and clean up the SMP branch. Make it into a functional branch. Then we'll take and grab that code and put it into the correct plots. There's some stuff that will need to be rewritten, but by the end of this stream, we'll have a branch that actually works. And that's not me saying that just because, yeah, I actually already got this working. So, nice. We're going to put it together in a functional branch now that doesn't have copious amounts of this in it. Yeah, that's nice. So, yeah. Welcome back to SMP adventures, I guess. Last 2 streams or so. We'll see. But, yeah. So, let's get started. Okay! So, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make this. It's going to be usable. Oh, I should make sure I have enough storage space, because, yeah. Okay. Get clone B. We're going to grab... I don't know. Let's start simple. So, let's say, going back into this branch, let's see what we need first. We're gonna have to grab this PR, and then we'll grab all the way up to HAL IPI handling. And, yeah, that'll be the first step. Yep. So, that's what we want. We'll grab that. Up to that. The freeze code I'm hesitant to grab because it I think I'm going to make a release build. And if I grab that, I'm going to have some extra execution of that thing isn't, I need to do NMIs still. So that isn't perfect yet, so knock on wood on that. We'll do that last. So let's start by, yeah, we did fix build for that. So then we have this commit, which fixed the first bug of the day. Then we had this commit. No, not that one yet. We had this commit, which grabbed another thing Timo did for his stuff I'm not going to end up touching, I guess. There's the scheduling commit, which is good enough for what we're doing. And then there is the hacks and this guy right here, which is the culmination of basically all of them. So let's start looking at that. So not doing the freeze code yet, but grabbing this, we can look at what we actually do not need anymore, which is a lot. So last I checked, I still had UniATA in here. I should, because I'm going to try to use it. What disabled that? Implement the rest of IPIs. Okay, so we'll undo that. Re-enable UniATA. Fixing MM. Oh god, no. I'm not doing that. So, that was unnecessary. That was unnecessary. This was unnecessary. This was unnecessary. That is what mattered. So we have this. Don't do that. Do that. Right? Hi. Welcome to the stream. Okay. So, that was unnecessary. That change was unnecessary. Okay. I think that does it. That should, in theory, be the minimal it takes to get this to work like I want it to. So, if we wanted to build a version of the ISO that was using release so people can boot it fine, so that can be done, release. Okay. Now we can look at these. Which are very incorrect little hacks. But we're going to go for it, I guess. Ignore that for now. We'll build that. J6, let's say. Now, what I have should be everything we need to do this. And if I push this, that should be fine. Oh, not that. Okay. There we go. That. Wait, is this with GCC? This is with everything now, actually. This is both. It does not matter anymore. Although, I'm pretty sure GCC won't build yet, right now. But it's built off and on through this process. Now, what I should have is this without all of the wild hacks. So here are my hacks that I need to boot. There's only 3 left. So, or unless you count this and this. The rest of them are pretty... They're fine. There's code needs to be cleaned up, but they're fine. Do 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 do. What I need to know is if the freeze code needs to be adapted at all. Because I'm pretty sure it doesn't. No, I think I should be good. So, yeah. I don't... If I get stuck, I'll grab this again. But for now, we won't do that. This should be minimal now. This branch, on its own, should have functioning SMP now. Just on its own. So... Yep. That's what we're gonna figure out, is if there's other stuff I need to do. Because I've removed quite a bit of little workarounds that I had for things. Because they shouldn't be needed now, but now we need to know if it's gonna fall on its face. Cool, we have our first ISO, so let's go ahead and IS boot it. We'll start with Windybug, but it might crash due to Windybug crap, so aka the thing not being synced anymore, so here we go! So this is SMP usable. Oh, I should probably try to make sure that this thing's actually built. I don't know if I changed some stuff. Okay. I guess I didn't. Here we go. So, there might be more bugs we need to deal with, but we'll see as we go. And... Alright, that is not bad. So, if I remember correctly, well, for one thing, in order to fix that, I need to actually merge that freeze code in, by the way. But if I remember correctly, that's one of the bugs that were intermittent I keep getting, is that drivers will randomly do that after... Again, by the way, I removed like most of the workarounds I had for everything. So that's why we're doing it like this. Is I'm trying to figure out what... Ooh. Here, let's start easier. I'm trying to figure out what's the minimal I need. What's the minimal I need in order to get to the point where I can like just play with it. So that's the point of what we're doing. Really. Let's disable the affinity process really quick. Make sure we're clean. Okay. Alright, we're gonna actually need the freeze code. That sucks. I didn't want to deal with it. It's fine. It's fine. Okay. So let's grab it. So all we had to do is cherry pick this change and cherry pick that one. Okay. Get cherry pick abort. Get status. Get okay. There we go. Okay, there we go. Wow, that was crazy. There's a bug report just made called Start Menu Customization, and man, I wish. Now that we're getting SMP, I can actually like consider using ROS for a task or two. Now with extra dogfooding, I can't wait to use browsers. Multi-core support. What are you getting stuck on? Let's find out. Access fault. Make sure they are still frozen if it's not equal to current PRCB. Oh yeah, so this is what I was talking, or what's this way? Wow. This is what Timo was talking about when he said that sometimes if the freeze code wasn't use NMIs, then I was gonna end up getting stuck, and that's what happened. So very nice. That makes things difficult. I need to know what is causing this. So, give it a minute. I have a theory, though, on what it is. And my theory is it's this code that does this. And the reason I think that because the way that's written is a little odd. So that was one hack I had to have at one point, was disabling that code. So let's see. Really weird. Really weird. Anyway, so that is like that now. And if I go in here, I need to check where my thing is. Also, on this note, this thing oh, Uni ATA. By the way, that lockup, it happens with one core too, if you're curious. That thing, that Uni ATA just fails in general in this situation. With this kernel, I mean. It just dies, gives up immediately. Ugh. So there's two options I could try. I could try disabling interrupts on other processors. I could try doing this, which enables the full SMP entire, you know, everything's active and using it. Let's see if that does, but I need a way to work around what Uni ATA is doing here, because I do not have one. What are you doing? It is doing nothing. Okay, so I do not know oh, no. Okay, this is just going to be a thing. Alright, let's try this. So let's grab the code that stops things that aren't on processor 0. This one. And see if that helps the situation, because like I said, it's just Uni ATA doing this. Oh my god. Oh. For some reason I thought... Never mind. Okay. Okay, interrupts on only processor 0. Here we go. Oh, shit. By the way, on another note, okay, not that one. Sorry. Hang on. Oh my god, hurry up. You're so slow. Ta-da! But still, UniATA. Okay. I don't know what I want to do. I can try. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I guess I can just stick to keeping it off, but that sucks. I want to be able to do more stuff. Here. Well, let's move on for now, and then we'll come back to this. There's just not much I can do right now. Especially because I'm kind of going to run out of time quickly if I don't get the stuff I want to do done. Or the stuff I need to do done, sorry. Well, I guess one's true too. So, Ninja Hybrid CD and Ninja Hybrid CD. So, we'll keep going for now, and we'll come back to that. By the way, Ross with like SMP is pretty wild. I can't wait to show a little bit more. Because it's bizarre, honestly. I might let this release ISO do its thing with it being without UniATA, but we'll see. We'll see. Just so people have something to play with, as I do. Because I know some people are asking. Yeah, that's really frustrating, actually. That's gonna piss me off really fast. Anyway, yeah, so that happens. As you can see, it just boots right to desktop, or right to the user space once you're moving ATA. Let us see if we can toy around. No? Let's see. Got an assert somewhere. I'm missing. Not sure where. I don't know. On another note, if you notice, hey, there we go. That's what I wanted. So, check for virtual int extensions. Okay. Oh. That's really weird. Oh, you know what? Yeah, that makes sense, actually. I don't have that PR merged still in this branch. See, now we're just going to hit normal ROS issues. Nice! I'm going to pretend that means something good. Even though I know better. And we're probably going to... That's the best part of this, is now we're going to hit problems that exist on normal ROS, but scaled up. We're going to fail fast. Twice as fast as before. Nice. We like that. Okay. Did it not? Maybe I should just merge this PR. Or maybe I'm going to ignore it. I don't know. We'll see. I think I'm going to have to merge the PR. Ugh! Hang on. Or wait, no. I can ignore it. Ooh, wait. That's not good either. Well, well, well. If it isn't the consequences to my actions. What are you doing? Oh, that's not... Okay. Okay. Wow, that's... That's really annoying. I think I'm gonna actually have to care about that next. What is this? What is this thread anyway, though? What is it from? Oh, it's from RBCRT. Oh, it's services! Okay, services is running on processor 2. That's cute. Alright, you do that. That's fine. That's fine. Whatever. Yeah, ignore that glaring problem. Right? Great. Okay. So, what are you doing? Is it... Weird. 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 I shouldn't have interrupts happening on other processors. What's the deal? Why is that happening at times? You know what? I'm kind of thinking maybe I want to not do that, actually. I'm thinking that I want to put the processors in an idle state before we boot to desktop for now. Or I don't want to give people like something that's they'd have to turn on by hand. Well, we'll see. Anyway, there's your... Give it a minute. Give it a minute. It's slow at the first boot. So the system process, right? The one thing I'll say about this so far is that context switching can be kind of slow on ROS now. When you're booting the SMP build, it's slightly slower on the first few seconds when you boot compared to other builds. Like, if you notice when I move the mouse, it drags a little bit, right? So that will go away when I hit like desktop after a few seconds, after I hit desktop after a few seconds of that or whatever. But yeah, that's kind of, it's just something we noticed, is something is making it slow still in the boot. So you have to give it a couple seconds before you start doing anything. So that's fun. Anyway, there it goes. Cool! Now we're in! And there you go. So, if you look, you can see that instead of ROS booting up and capping out one core, it's now kinda using both, just barely. It's not super equal, but it does use both. So, now we can do something like, you know, open Paint. Right? You open Paint, and what happens? Both of them get used. Okay, we'll open WinMine. We'll open Spider Solitaire. Yeah, easy colors, whatever, I don't care. We'll open other Solitaire. We'll open Device Manager. We'll open Calculator. We'll do random crap on Calculator, and you can see that it just kind of abuses both of them, but more so one than the other. So we can open another calculator. We can open, I don't know, the ReactOS diagnostic tool. Then we can start it. Oh, look at that. Things start capping out. And they both get, and the one gets really peaked. Holy shit. My god, that thing's awful. Alright, that's cool. Yeah, you do that. Oh, wow. What is oh. Oh! Oh my god! That looks, wow, that looks awful. What is it doing? Cool. Yeah, that's bad. So, this is the first scheduler though, so I don't feel that bad. Oh my god, though. Oh my god. Well, what about, I don't know, sound recorder? Oh, no, we don't have that. We can say, I don't know, open, you know, we can put this on the desktop. Let's try it and just open a bunch of CMDs. Yep. This is what real performance looks like. Yeah, that... It's alright. So, now we need to take away a hack and try to fix something. I don't really want it yet, though. What if I, you know, 3D text screensaver? We apply that. Oh, we'll do Mizu theme. Just for fun, right? Oh, man, there you go. Oh, and there's a bunch of stuff that happens, but it still caps out one really bad. Jeez. I think the affinity is pretty... Oh, yeah, they're both on. Oh, that's good. And yeah, it just abuses one and barely the other. That's nice. Okay. Well, there you go. The first edition Is there a Windows version of a fork bomb? No, because that kind of instability is only what you get from Linux. Destroyed. Process cloning is dumb. But you know what I can do though? I think I have to find it. Well, that's cool. Oh god, what is the funniest thing I can do? There's something I can do. I mean, I can always just %0% apparently. I don't know. What? Yeah, I don't know what that's supposed to be. I can try just sticking CPU-Z in here. Would that be a good meme? Would it? We're gonna do that. We're just gonna shove CPU-Z inside of here. That's a good idea. In a bat file. Oh, okay. I think that makes sense actually. But we're gonna shove CPU-Z in here actually. That's what we're really gonna do. Wow. It's kind of funny because artificial tests are probably gonna look a lot better than real usage, and the real usage is probably the problem for Ross right now, SMP wise, because it's not great. It's fine. It's better than we've had ever, but like we're gonna want more soon, you know? We're gonna want more. Did it even save? I thought it did. Oh no, it did. The fuck? Oh no, I'm limited in what I can do. Delete. And then delete. There we go. Alright. Might take like 3 times to boot again. Well, here we go. More Heisenbugs. Oh, wait. No, not that. It's fine, right? Who cares? Who cares? Oh man, I need to fix some of this. Okay. Now for the haha funny. Now we wait 5 minutes for it to boot because I'm not too lazy to fix the core problem there. ReactOS, please wake up. ReactOS, please. Hurry up. Oh, there you go. I cannot wait to boot this on a physical device. We're actually really close. I could probably try in like 20 minutes. But beyond that, okay, so now we're back in the OS. We're gonna open CPU-Z. That did that quickly! Holy shit! Alright, let's bench CPU. Oh my god! Holy crap! I only get 80 normally! Whoa, that's pretty cool. That is really cool, actually. What the fuck? That is like 200 more points than I normally get. Performance gains! Yay! It's awful, but you know what? Damn it, it's working! God damn it, it might be... It's working. It might be shitty performance gains, but it do be doing, right? It do be doing. It works. It fucking works, dude. It actually works. Oh man. We've got an OS with barely functional systematic multiprocessing. Barely. An actual performance gain. Ladies and gentlemen, we did it. We fucking did it. It do be doing. Alright, let's just step it up a couple points, like, you know, maybe 1 notch of difficulty and give it 8 cores instead of 2. What are you building, bro? The future, my man. It just depends on if it feels like booting every other time or not. So at least it's the start. Yeah, that's how I feel. It's a start. I will boot on hardware in like an hour. We'll see. And then we're gonna browse the interwebs, as they call it. The magical internet place. Oh man, I don't know if it feels like doing 8 cores or not. It might not. I think it's gonna get stuck. Uh-oh. 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 As to why, I don't know. Alright, let's make it easier. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I shouldn't have abused you that hard. We'll make it easier. More like retro future. You know what? It already is more stable than Linux. What language am I using? ReactOS is written in C. Oh. Wow, it really gets increasingly more angry the more cores you add, and that's funny. Ha 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 ha. So hello, let me in. Let me in. Whatever. Alright, we'll have to try it on... Oh, God. What should I try it on next, actually? I don't know. That's a good question. Let's see. Okay, let's first see what it's actually doing anyway. Because it's probably not booting on more cores for a reason. I'm just ignoring it. So let's see what's actually going on, because I'm curious. Oh, Jesus Christ! Oh my God, that scared the crap out of me. Okay. Okay, so now we're booting. What do you do? What did you do? What did you get angry about? It didn't even tell me. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay. What happened? What happened? What did it what happened? Oh, Ross! Fuck. Ross, please. Oh. Oh dear. Oh, yep. That will do it. Yep, that makes sense actually. It's because I broke that. Yeah, that's fine. That's cool. Great. Oh, great. Ha ha ha. So fun. Visit thread.exe. Yeah, oh, okay. Get the state. Fuck you and your flushing. We don't need it. We don't need it. It's fine. It's not even required. Not even used. I mean, let's be real. It's not even useful. That's really weird. Okay. What are your thoughts on leak code? No, none. I have zero thoughts in my brain right now for anything except goofing off for like the next hour. Those are my thoughts right now. Do you ever feel like a plastic bag? It's kind of funny that the further into this problem you get, the harder it is to work around it. And the more cores you add, the more horrible the problem gets with the way this FX save area works. I probably should fix it. I probably should care a little bit more about it than I do, but I'm just so damn lazy, you know. I just want to do the funny thing. I just want the funny. Is that too much to ask? God damn it. Oh, let's go back to the other one. Now that I've removed that. Because I don't need it now. Go! Oh man, maybe I should care about it. I'm just so lazy. I don't want to deal with the random thing. Okay, well, let's see. All right, let's see. Let us investigate and see what other things I can get this to work on. Gentle Pikachus. Oh, da ba da dee ba da ba dee ba da ba dee da da ba dee ba da ba dee da da ba dee ba da 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 da. All right. Well, let's boot this. All right, that's fine. You do that, I guess. I don't know what to tell you. Loading RAM disk. Kabam. Oh no! It really can't boot more than 2 right now. It's kind of weird, actually. Actually, why is that going on? That's really odd. Let me look at this for a little bit while that continues to try. Super weird. Super weird to save the day. Huh. What is your deal? Let's see here. It might just be a problem. Okay. Serial port. Oh, did I not? Ah, crap. Hang on. Give me a moment. I gotta... Okay. There we go. Oh, oops. That matters a little bit. Cool. There we go. I'm not crazy. All right, let's see what's happening. VDM control. You know what we're gonna do? Let's just grab the PRs in question, I think. I think that's what I want to do. because I'm kind of stuck. So, VDM, dump info about unhandled. Not that. Or did it already get merged? It might have. No, it didn't. Is it EXT extensions? Oh, no, that's not right. There it is. Commit. Get remote add Tom. Now we'll have this code and I'll be a little happier of a person. Because I think this code path matters a lot. Or is it KEI386? x86VM. Check for VME support. Git add, git cherry pick, continue. I'm not really sure why it matters more with the SMP build. That's super weird. That is really weird, huh? I don't know why it would matter that much. I'm gonna be honest. Kinda sus. But it seems like it does. Nope. Okay. It's still getting stuck on something. That flush NPX state. What are you doing? Let's read it real quick. Feeling kind of weird about that. Alright, so on my to-do list, I think the MPX stuff is going to have to be next. Because I can't keep trying to ignore this. It is just too awful. It is the source of so much instability between reboots. Oh my god. Jesus. Whoa. Where are you getting this from? That's really weird. That's so weird. What the fuck? That's gnarly. What is it even doing? Weird. That's just bizarre, dude. Let's make this. And just do nothing. I honestly could not tell you why VMware wants to do that. That is so bizarre to me. I mean, I guess I can try botch too. I did use botch early on for debugging. That could be fun. We'll try it in a little bit. Is it happy now? No! What the hell? I actually cannot boot VMware. Can I... boot regular VMware without SMP? I can. Well, that's pretty weird. That's so weird. What could SMP be causing to result in that? That's so weird. What? Kinda cool though. Kinda cool. Yeah, I have no idea what I did to cause that to happen. Huh. I wonder if I, like, disable the ability for it to boot up, like, with everything enabled, if that would be better, maybe. Because I feel like I'm getting something weird somewhere. That value, like that, getting unimplemented opcodes makes no sense. I'm thinking that's probably going to be the solution, is just to not do that with the opcodes. So, what we'll do is we'll go to init here. We'll find the affinity call. Affinity, and then we'll disable that. And what that will do is... Nope. Huh. No, it's gonna boot, actually. It's just being really slow. It's gonna boot. Okay. It's just being really slow. Do I want to give it a minute? I'll give it a minute. That's fine. That's so weird. It's not dead. Do I want to, like, keep trying, or... I don't know if I want to wait that long, honestly. I don't want to wait that long, yeah. It's kind of what I'm thinking. Okay, so let's boot without everything just going hog ham and give a very, very minimal startup a shot. So, without enabling a billion things to go on other core. Oh, okay. Oh, oh, oh! Okay. I've never seen a BSOD scroll before. I don't know what I did to make it that mad. Like, I'm sorry, but damn. Shut up. Yay! It do be doing. All right. I'd say we're almost there. So now we can go around and enabling things manually. Fear me! Oh man, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, you guys want to see a magic trick? Like something I realized the other day? Cool. Want something funny? Alright, so, right. Here we have a beautiful system, alright? No problem, right? Watch. I'm going to turn Explorer on to only... Oh, nope, it's going to be SOD first. Anyway, I have a magic trick. So, I'm going to turn Explorer real-time. Why would you want a real-time Explorer? You don't. You really don't. But, because you have multiple cores now, you can! Because real-time means, really, it's just not going to execute off that core. Especially if you lock it into one affinity. So that will be a good meme. We're going to give that a shot here. Okay. So by default, everything's only on core 1. Now we're going to turn Explorer only onto core 0, the other core. Okay. And you can see it's still responsive. All right, the other core is doing its job. You start doing things and it responds. But now we're going to turn priority on. And I've always memed about our priority setup, right? Because it's never worked. Okay, it doesn't do anything useful except for make things kind of slow because ReactOS's multi-threading just isn't built for it. But I fucking fixed it. Watch.
This is a terrible idea. Real time. Boom. Boom. Oh god. Okay, hold on. Sorry. Now boom. Alright? Just like that, we have a real-time clock explorer, only running on Core 1. So what happens when I do anything with Explorer now? Oh my god, it's so fast. Oh, wow. Yeah. It just dies once in a while, but it's fine. Trap cause unknown. Okay. Okay. So, you let us try to fix UniATA now a bit by disabling this startup. Right? So, we'll have that. And that should be okay. That shouldn't kill anybody. Probably. Oh no. Oh no, an unknown trap. Oh no. The multiprocessor Chad kernel. Oh. I do not Spanish. I don't Spanish. Hang on. Let me debug. Can you speak Spanish? No, I don't. I can't. I'm sorry. Okay, so now we're gonna try and boot with UniATA on. What the fuck? I don't know what happened, honestly. We have networking now? Oh, man. Yeah. What can I do? Can I ping google.com from SMP? Oh, no, I can't. Shit. Okay. That happens sometimes. Oh, you know what might be the problem? Damn it. I removed the floating point code, right? That...
I forgot. I did that. Shit. Hang on. That sucks. Oh, well. It's fine. It's fine. Would this be application development or web development? This is operating system development, which is in its like classification of its own. It's in its own completely different reality. Can I install the VMware driver? Oh no, I can't. Actually, because I don't have that PR applied. Fuck. Well, you know what? I wanted to be able to do that. Also, why is UniATA working on VMware? Just cuz? Is that like just a thing it's gonna do from now on? Okay, you do that. It's fine. Not even mad. Oh god. This thing, though. This thing's gonna make me mad. This has nothing to do with React.js. That's true. Okay, back to installing. Try again. It's kind of hard to read it when it's that small. Please note that I had to do that. I'm getting out of dinner. Oh, guys, you know, there's going to be a point tonight where I'm just not going to want to deal with Ross for the day, rest of the day, aka probably in like an hour. I'm going to take a break. Enjoy the wind for the day. There's so much work to do tomorrow. Just Wilson job and this. I've got to find UEFI variable crap, and then I've got to do more Ross after that. How? It do be doing. Oh my god. This thing just doesn't know when it wants to work, does it? Honestly, though, I'm shocked. This is like almost Almost bearable. Almost. That's a key word. You know, right? Because okay. That fixed it. So funny thing, right? Do you know why it's almost bearable? Because it's almost bearable. I wish there was a way to like make this not this small. I just wanna compile Ross on Ross. Is that too much to ask? I guess. Kinda. Weird. Weird! Yeah, okay, anyway. Ah, ha, ha. My brain's going fried. Getting all cheeseburgered. Oh, man. What are you doing? Right? What are you doing, like, actually? Dear ReactOS, what are you doing? Oh, no, now it's just gonna go. Okay, that's fine. It's fine! Who cares? Oh, look, an operating system. It's so cute. Okay. Please keep in mind that no. Oh, no. Oh, man. Oh, man. That's not. It's not sending out. Oh, God. Paying google.com. Oh no. It's going out and it's just never returning. Do 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 do. Although I will say, if you've paid attention, you'll notice that we haven't had any file system corruption, which is unfortunately really surprising to me. Actually, I'm just shocked at this point. Also, despite it not being like perfectly balanced between the two, it's doing all right. It's putting work there. Threads are being executed. Anyway, what I was going to do, I want to find some funnies. Watch this.
So this is the real hard test. If I can install a piece of software using SMP to make it faster. Here we go. Whoa. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, I'm done with this. It's really cool, but it's still kind of early. But it's really neat, actually. It's doing pretty good for what it is. So, what we're going to do is commit the action. So, the first thing we're going to do is go to boot data, go to hybrid CD, find this, find SOS, so do SOS, let's say, debug SMP SOS, and then we'll do setup. So in RAM SMP, and then we'll have setup. So that is the ISO we'll ship to people. I'm gonna let people test this, but I don't want to hear too much. It probably isn't gonna work super well yet, but it'll be closer than the other one. So yeah, ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the SMP ISO. Okay, I am going to end it here, and I'm going to boot it on a piece of hardware.